and marketing, like you said, is such a vast area, right?
It
And
is.
so figuring out, and I think a lot of business owners and nonprofits, they get confused, right? What do I need? What do I
Mhm,
need to do to be successful? You feel like you're chasing things, right? Is this the
mhm.
latest trend, right? And trying to figure out a system that works. So
Yes.
I'm looking forward to what you're sharing with us today. I think you're going to share, what's our topic today?
Um, how to algorithm proof your marketing.
Ooh, think about that for a moment, right? Algorithm proof your marketing. Ooh, that's a tall challenge. I love it, Jennifer. I can't wait to hear what you have to say about it. Should we pull your slides up? You ready to rock and roll?
Yes. Okay, so today we're going to talk about how to algorithm proof your marketing. If you were in any way online a couple of weeks ago, you know that the whole world freaked out that TikTok went away for a few hours. It's back, but there's no guarantee that it's staying. And just like other platforms that were the platform at the time, like Clubhouse and Periscope, and other ones that have fallen by the wayside, they were the place to be until they suddenly weren't and don't even exist anymore. So, in a world of constantly shifting algorithms, because I honestly think they change so fast now. It used to be like once a year or whatever. Now it's there's constantly changing and everybody gets upset when they do. How do you keep your marketing going when things are so unstable online? And we know that social media is where it's at, or at least that's what we're told. So that's what we're going to go through today. So we're going to go through first of all, what is a marketing plan? I think that many of us have brought in ideas from across the internet, and we may have either a skewed or not a complete idea of what a true marketing plan is and how it can benefit our business. um, Platforms and reach. Where do you have to be? Who do you need to reach? What numbers actually matter? And how do any of these figure into growing your business? Because many times, like TikTok and Clubhouse, we're told just go there, but we don't know why. So we're going to look at where you should be, how to evaluate where to be, and what it can do for you. And the last thing is 2025 marketing trends, which probably isn't what you think it is, but I'm going to go through what I see and what colleagues and friends of mine who are very knowledgeable in the space are, what we're discussing, what we see coming up, and the shifts that are happening.
All right, y'all, you're going to want to take notes, grab your paper and pen, or go ahead and start making comments in the chat. So if you see something that makes you go, wow, make a comment in the chat so other people can go, wow, with you. If you have questions, drop those in the chat and we'll get to those towards the end.
So, what is a marketing plan? Many times in the 21st century, we think that a marketing plan is I'm going to be on this, and this platform, or I'm switching from long form content to short form content. I'm going to start doing stories and reels instead of writing posts. Whatever it is, that is the start of a plan. But really, a marketing plan, those are assets, those are parts of the plan that are going to help you execute what the plan is. It's really all about traffic and direction. You need to generate traffic because lead generation and traffic is how you grow your business. Without lead generation, without increased traffic, you can't have more clients. You can't make more sales. You can't sell more product. You have to have that consistent, and the goal usually is to grow it, right?